There's a traffic source that gets over 1 billion users every single month that consistently ranks on the first page of Google for buyer intent keywords. But the reality is, most Shopify store owners completely ignore this. And that's Reddit. I want to show you guys something that completely changed the way I think about free traffic entirely. Reddit gets over 5 billion monthly visits, and a huge chunk of that traffic comes directly from Google, because Reddit threads consistently rank on the first page of Google for some of the highest intent buyer keywords in e-commerce. We're talking about searches like best dog harness, best brace for back pain, or best collagen supplement. And the people typing those are already ready to buy. They just need to know which brand to choose. And whoever's in the top comment of that ranking thread is gonna capture the customer. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your brand into those conversations and the tool that makes this scalable and completely hands-off. Let's get right into it. All right, let me show you exactly what I mean. Here's a real Reddit thread in running with dogs. The original poster is asking for harness recommendations for running with their dog. And this is somebody who's about to make a purchase decision. They're on Reddit, asking a community, looking for a trusted recommendation. See what's happening here? Real people are coming in and recommending brands. Some of them are genuinely community members sharing their real life experience, but some of them, they're brand placements. And the reason you can't always tell the difference is because the good ones look like they're written by real people. Like this top comment right here talks about the Canix 2.0. The second one right here is from Coda Dog Gear talking about their own products. But then you have a ton of additional comments talking about the Canix 2.0, replying to the original poster and starting conversations and sharing real life experiences about this product. Now, I can almost guarantee that the brand that offers this Canix 2.0 is strategically placing these comments in here. Like, look at the structure of these top comments. They're first person, saying things like, I've been using this for 6 months, offering specific details, a time frame, real results, and a concrete observation. And one thing you guys will notice when this is done right is there's always a soft brand mention, just the name. No links, no promotional language. It reads like honest advice from a real runner. So here's the question. If this thread is getting thousands of views every single month with runners searching Google for best harnesses for running with their dogs, and the thread is constantly recommending your brand as the #1 option, what's that worth to you? Because that comment keeps working forever. You posted it once and it brings traffic back to your store every single month. Here's another one, completely different niche. We're in the backyard chickens Reddit, and someone right here is asking for automatic chicken feeder recommendations. So we see the same pattern, the same high intent question. People are ready to make a purchase decision and the recommendations are all in the comments. And look at the top comments right here. Everyone's recommending the Grandpa's Feeder, sharing their real life experience, how they're satisfied with the actual brand. Like this one says their first one arrived damaged and the company sent them another one entirely for free. Then if you keep reading through all of these comments, it's all people recommending the Grandpa's Feeder. Like this comment right here, they mention the Grandpa's Feeder and talk about how it actually combats rats. So they mention a problem solution as well. So the brand Grandpa's Feeder is getting free, recurring, high intent traffic from this one thread, because somebody took the time to write a good comment. And this is what you guys want to do. You want to find threads like this and write comments just like that. Then you get it to rank at the top, and now you have a free source of traffic coming back to buy from you again and again every single month. So how do you actually do this at scale without spending 24/7 managing Reddit accounts? That's what I use Engain for. And before we get into the platform, I want to show you what the strategy actually looks like when it's working properly, because this is the part that most people don't realize is possible. When I said whoever owns a top comment captures all the traffic, I meant it literally. The top comment on a Reddit thread that's ranking on Google gets 90% of all the clicks. Think about how you guys use Reddit. You land on the page, you might read the first 1 or 2 comments, and then you move on. Nobody ever gets to the 10th or the 15th comment. Those get almost no traffic. So position 1 in that thread is the only position that actually matters. So how do you actually get your comments to the top of Reddit? On Reddit, comments move to the top based on upvotes. If your comment has the most upvotes, it's the first thing that everybody sees. And you guys can actually influence that. You guys can get your own comments ranked to the top yourself. Because here's the strategy that the top brands on Reddit are currently using. These brands will have multiple aged accounts, which are accounts with posting history and high karma, commenting on this same exact thread from different angles and perspectives. And from the outside, this looks like an organic conversation from real community members. And because these accounts are aged with real history, they're accepted in every subreddit. A brand new Reddit account commenting in a subreddit almost immediately gets flagged. Moderators will remove your comment, or your account's gonna get shadow banned and nothing will even show up at all. So the account age and karma is what lets you actually operate. And managing all of this manually, finding the right threads, managing multiple aged accounts, upvoting at the right time so it looks organic, and tracking everything is a full-time job on its own. This is the problem that Engain solves. Engain's a Reddit marketing platform built specifically for e-com operators and Shopify store owners. It gives you access to thousands of aged, high karma Reddit accounts with years of posting history that are accepted in virtually every subreddit. You never even have to log into Reddit yourself. You don't manage accounts, you never deal with proxies or VPNs or IP management. Engain's gonna handle all the infrastructure so you can focus on actual strategy, which threads to target, what to say, and how to position your brand. It helps you find the threads where your customers are already having conversations you wanna be part of. Helps you write the right kind of comment, get it to the top position, and then track everything in just one dashboard. All right, I'm gonna walk you through the setup from scratch. First, head to engain.io. I'll leave a link for you guys down below so you can follow along. So click on Get Started right here, and the process is pretty straightforward. Email, password, standard stuff. I'll fast forward through all of that. So once you're in, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is enter your store's URL. So let's go back to the dog harness example that we talked about at the beginning of this video. Let's say you guys are in the pet niche and you're selling dog harnesses just like this. And this is your brand right here, Team K9. They're one of the top brands selling these right now. So if this was your store, you would wanna go up to the top of the page, grab that URL or your domain name, click on this page right here, click add project. Then you're gonna paste the URL for your brand right here. So I'll type in that Team K9 URL and I'll click continue and watch what happens next. Engain analyzes your website, reads your content, products, and niche, and automatically generates a business profile for you. You don't have to manually define your niche, your competitors, or your target subreddits. It figures that out from your website. And look at everything that it picked up right here. That's based entirely on reading my store's URL. No manual setup involved. Now there's two settings worth knowing about before we dive into the opportunities. Under settings, you can add up to 10 competitor URLs like I already mentioned. This is valuable because now Engain's gonna find threads mentioning your competitors as well. And those are often the highest converting opportunities because the person is already comparing options and evaluating alternatives. So threads like best dog harness or Team K9 versus Doggy Kingdom dog harness. These are the type of conversations you want to be a part of. This is the SEO opportunity section, and this is where I spend most of my time in the platform because this is where the compounding value lies. So what you're looking at here is a list of Reddit threads that are already ranking on Google and pulling real monthly search traffic, sorted by the highest traffic value first. And Engain has found these automatically based on my niche. So here's why this section is different from finding threads manually. These are recurring assets. You comment once in a thread that's ranking on Google, and that comment earns you visibility every single month as long as that thread keeps ranking. So instead of a one-time post, this is like a traffic asset for your brand because it generates traffic time and time again for years on end. So let me click into one of these to show you what the data actually looks like. So for example, look at this. It has the thread title, the subreddit it lives in, and the estimated monthly visitors it's pulling from Google searches. So that number right here, 7,711 visitors per month, that's how many people are landing on this thread from Google and reading that top comment. And if your brand is in that top comment, you're getting over 7,700 potential customers a month from this one thread for free. Forever. I legit don't understand harnesses. Can someone explain their purpose? You guys could post a solid comment in there recommending your brand and talking about why you guys use harnesses. Here's another solid one right here, getting over 4,000 monthly clicks, almost 5,000. What's the best collar for my dog that pulls very hard? This has a relevance score of 85 out of 100 because they're seeking a safe collar to prevent self-harm while training for a strong pull. So it's going to give you the full breakdown of why these threads are actually relevant to your brand. So I'll click view on Reddit and I want to go through all of these comments first to decide if it's worth commenting on. I always read the full thread before I comment anything. Here's why. The comment that converts is the one that actually responds to the specific situation the original poster described. If somebody's asking about a specific harness for training their dog and all you say is I recommend this brand, your comment's gonna get ignored at best and downvoted at worst. So if you guys acknowledge their specific situation and then naturally introduce your brand, that's the comment that earns upvotes and trust. So reading through all of these, there's a lot of recommendations about the prong collars, but no specific brands mentioned. So this is a solid opportunity. So let me note this traffic number of around 5,000 monthly clicks before we move into new opportunities and actually write the comment. You can also add or adjust keywords to fine tune what threads are actually showing up for you. If something irrelevant keeps showing up, adjust your keywords and the results will shift. But for now, let's see what Engain's already found for us. New opportunities is a different view. Instead of threads ranked by Google traffic, this shows you the most relevant recent Reddit posts for your niche, scored by how closely they match your products and what people are actively asking about right now. And you guys are gonna see the relevance score next to each post. That's Engain's score out of 100 based on how well this thread matches what you're selling. I'm gonna filter or sort by the highest score first. The thing I wanna be clear about here is it's not just the newest posts, because a thread posted 6 months ago with a score of 92 is worth more to me than a thread posted yesterday with a score of 43. The goal is relevance, not recency. So let me click into one of the higher scoring ones, like this one right here, 95 out of 100. So here's its recommendation. It's saying the user explicitly requests an escape-proof harness recommendation, direct product fit for luxury and no escape harnesses, and personalization options. So let me read through this thread to see if my product's a good fit. This was posted 6 days ago. There's a ton of traffic, a lot of people giving the recommendations. This is a solid opportunity for our brand right now. And the reason I target this thread over a lower scoring one is because it matches our brand perfectly. They're asking specifically about our products and the problems our brand solves. This is somebody who is actively evaluating their options. They're not just curious, but they're making a purchasing decision. This is the buyer I want to be in front of. So now let's go ahead and write our first comment. This is the most important thing I'm going to teach you in this entire video. Your comment is everything, because Reddit users are extremely good at detecting anything that feels like marketing. And a detected marketing comment gets downvoted, removed by moderators, and it kills your credibility entirely within that subreddit. The goal is to sound like a real customer sharing a genuine experience. And here's the framework I use for that every single time. Engain can generate your comment for you based on this thread. So we'll click generate comment and we'll see what it comes up with. So it gave us a very organic comment. It said, yeah, the Houdini dog struggle is real, especially with a big lab who's determined to get free. The four-leg style you're describing sounds just like a Julius canine or something similar with a belly strap that wraps under the chest and around the girth so there's no single point to wiggle out of. Rough wear also gets recommended a lot for escape artists specifically because of the multiple adjustment points. I ended up grabbing a null pole harness from Team Canine that had a lifetime warranty on it, which gave me some confidence. It was actually built to hold, and the fit around the chest was snug enough that my dog couldn't back out of it. So this is a solid starting point, but I always edit these before they go live. So let me walk you through exactly what I'm looking for and what I'm changing. Rule number 1, you always have to acknowledge the specific situation. The first thing a good comment does is show that you actually read the post. If somebody's frustrated that they tried 3 different products and kept running into quality issues, your comment should mention that. Say something like, I went through this same thing with multiple products before. That tells the reader this person's just like me. This comment's pretty relevant. Rule number 2, you guys want to write these comments in first person and be detail specific. Write like a real customer, not just brand X is great. That's a marketing headline. Instead, you guys can say something like, I've been using this brand for 4 months now. The shipping was fast, the returns were easy, and the quality is amazing. First person, specific time frame, and a concrete observation. This is what makes your comment actually sound genuine. Rule number 3, you guys always want a soft brand mention. No links, no URLs, nothing like that. Just one natural reference to your brand. Just the name, no promotional language around it. No the best, no highly recommended. Those are marketing phrases. Just mention your brand name and give the context. Curious buyers are gonna automatically Google it from there. And that's exactly what you want. They arrive at your store feeling interested in your products, not like they're being sold to. Which leads me to rule number 4. Absolutely no links. Never drop a URL in a Reddit comment ever. Links look promotional, they get flagged by moderators instantly, and they ruin your credibility of everything you just wrote. The goal is to look like a community member sharing honest advice, not a brand trying to make a sale. And a link kills that credibility instantly. And rule number 5, you want to make these comments long enough to actually feel real. A 2-sentence comment looks planted. That's pretty obvious. But a detailed, thoughtful comment that reads like genuine advice actually gets upvoted by the community. And more upvotes means a higher position in the thread, and a higher position means more traffic to your store. So the length isn't just about authenticity. It directly affects your ranking. So I like the bit of humor at the very beginning, the Houdini dog struggle. I'm gonna keep that in there. And then the reference to their big lab who's determined to get free, that mentions their specific situation. So I like all the different points that this comment touches. I'm actually not gonna change anything here. So here's why this comment actually works. It's in first person, they reference humor, other types of products, some of the most popular products in the space, and then they give a direct mention to our brand right here, but it's very subtle. They mention the specifics and reasons people would buy from Team Canine, the lifetime warranty, the fit being snug, and the dog not being able to get out of it. This right here is convincing enough to make anybody who reads it go on Google and type in Team Canine. And that's exactly what we're going for with this. So now I'm gonna post this comment through Engain's account network. So I select the posting account and Engain gives me access to thousands of aged high karma accounts. I don't need to know anything about the account. It handles all of that. I select the tone, I select the scheduled timing, and I post. Now, one important note on scheduling, if I'm gonna post in the same Reddit multiple times, I wanna space those posts out significantly. Posting too frequently from accounts in the same subreddit triggers Reddit's moderation systems. So you guys wanna space them out to keep everything looking natural. Then once you have your comment written the way you like it, you can actually select rank my comment down here. And before we post the comment, I wanna explain why this section exists, because the stat behind it is what makes this entire thing make sense. The top comment on Reddit captures over 90% of the traffic. Think about that. A thread ranking on Google might pull 3,000 visitors a month. 2,700 of them read the top comment and move on. The second comment gets maybe 200 views. Everything below that gets almost nothing. If your brand isn't in position 1, you're effectively not in the thread at all. Somebody else is capturing that traffic instead of you. And Rank My Comment fixes this. Here's how it works. It looks at the thread and checks how many upvotes the current top comment has. Then it calculates exactly how many upvotes your comment needs to reach position 1. And then, this is the critical part. It delivers those upvotes gradually over several days. Gradual delivery is not optional here. A comment that goes from 0 upvotes to 50 within an hour is an obvious flag. Reddit systems detect that pattern and suppress the comment. But a comment that gains upvotes steadily over 4 or 5 days, a few here, a few there, looks completely organic. Because that's exactly how real comments gain traction. And you guys can see the delivery plan here. We're gonna get 5 upvotes to our comment, spaced out over 2 to 3 days, so all of this looks natural. Once your comment hits position 1, it stays there for as long as you maintain the upvote lead. And at that point, every visitor who lands on this thread from Google sees your brand first. That's the exact traffic asset I was talking about. So now let's move over to their sandbox tool. You guys can paste any Reddit post URL here, and then you have 2 options. You can write and post a comment on that thread through Engain's account network, or you can add upvotes to a comment that's already there. Same controls as everywhere else. You choose your account, you set the tone, you pick the timing, and then you can add follow-up replies from separate accounts scheduled 20 to 30 minutes after the original. That way you can build what looks like natural social proof within each thread. Then once you've got comments being posted, this is where you monitor everything. The task tracking section. Every active comment you have running shows up here. You can see the status, whether the comment is live, pending, or queued, the ranking position, are you at number 1 yet, or are you still climbing, the estimated traffic value for that thread, what this comment is worth in monthly visitors, and the upvote count, so you know where you stand. Comments typically go live within 10 to 15 minutes of posting, and once they're live, this dashboard tells you everything you need to know without having to manually check Reddit. And one of the best things about this is that if your comment gets removed by moderators or flagged or anything else, your credits are automatically refunded. That way you only have to pay for what actually performs. So as your library of active comments grows, this becomes your weekly check-in. 5 minutes in here tells you what's working, what needs a boost, and where you might want to add a follow-up reply to build more social proof in a thread that's already performing well. That's the whole system. So Reddit pulls over 5 billion users every single month. And the bulk of that traffic is coming from Google, with buyers searching for high intent keywords, and almost nobody in the dropshipping and e-com space is taking advantage of this right now. And the strategy is to get your brand in the top comment of those threads where people are already looking for product recommendations. You guys post 1 comment, get it to rank number 1, and you now have a free source of traffic coming to your store time and time again forever. Engain's the tool that makes all of this scalable. It gives you access to thousands of aged Reddit accounts, thread discovery, automatic comment generation, upvoting to make your comments reach number 1, and a dashboard to track everything. And if you guys want to see what Reddit opportunities exist for your store right now, Engain actually offers a free Reddit opportunity report. They'll analyze your niche and show you the top threads that are already ranking on Google that are worth targeting. So in case you're interested, I'll leave a link for you guys down below. And let me know in the comments below if you guys are gonna try this out and whether or not you actually have any experience with Reddit marketing, because I feel like almost nobody is taking advantage of this right now. And this is a huge opportunity. So if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.